So, hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great. So, today I'm here to tell you about a tip. I don't know, it may not be that useful to you, or you guys may be knowing about it, but it's worth trying. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's just, and okay, here I have like two programs or something like that. So I'll be doing first. Let's go into Dutch and DNB. I have some URLs. So as you know that in URLs we have V1, like this is something API hunting tips. So if you find this thing, let me just clear it, and here let's see if you find API and V1 or 2 or 3 like this. So what you guys need to do, so let me just do clear, sorry, cat URLs, and let's do grep API dash V. Let's search it, and as you can see it's saying API V1. So what we can do is just go and open this, and instead of this what we can do is, like, it's API v1, so we'll need to enumerate v2, or we need to go v3 if it's there. Okay, nothing is there. Also you can do beta, and if not, internal. So it didn't found it. So what we can do is, let's go rapid and press enter. Now let's do ls cat URLs. What I've did is just cat subdomains, and then I did Katana and Anew to urls.txt, and it will give us all the URLs. So for now let's just clear it, and let's do URLs, and we'll grep v2, let's say. And as you can see we found many, and it's not API, but if it's API, what you need to do is, you need to in API you just do v1, v2, v3, and also internal, and one more, that is beta. So I hope you like this trick and try it on your programs if you ever found it. So let me know if you find anything from this. I have seen people that have found something from it. So that is it for today. I hope you like it. If you did, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe.